There are about 8 billion humans living on Earth today. We see ourselves as the rulers of this planet. But right beneath our feet lies a tiny insect civilization that vastly outnumbers us all. Have you ever wondered? If every single ant in the world were gathered and weighed together, would they actually outweigh all of humanity? All right, let's prepare the scales. To find the answer, we first need to look at the average weight of both. Let's assume an average human weighs about 62 kilograms. But what about a single ant? An ant weighs only 1 to 5 milligrams, depending on its species. For this calculation, let's assume one ant weighs 5 milligrams. One ant equals 5 milligrams. 1,000 ants equal 5 grams. But what about 1 million ants? That's 5 kilograms, roughly the weight of a large house cat. Now here's the scale. There are an estimated 20 quadrillion ants on Earth and only 8 billion humans. This means there are 2.5 million ants for every single one of us. Those 2.5 million ants weigh exactly 12.5 kilograms. Compare that to our 62 kilograms, and it looks like we win this round. But let's take this to the next level. What if suddenly, every ant on Earth decided to go to war with humanity? What would we do, and who would win? Are we going to fight them off with a spatula? Even though we are physically much larger and heavier, don't forget one thing. Ants have the advantage of numbers. For every single human, there are 2.5 million ant soldiers ready to strike. They could infiltrate our infrastructure, crawl through every crack in your home, destroy our food supplies, and even cripple our power grids. If they attacked all at once, our most advanced weapons might be useless against trillions of nearly invisible enemies. So what about using an atomic bomb? But wait, can ants actually think? Do they even have a mind of their own? Individually, an ant doesn't have a complex brain. They can't really think the way humans do. However, here is the magic of physics and biology. Ants possess something called swarm intelligence. Think of them like the neurons in our brain. A single neuron can't think on its own, but billions of them working together create consciousness. Ants communicate using chemical signals called pheromones. Through these signals, millions of ants can make incredibly smart decisions, build complex nest architectures, and even execute organized war strategies. So, while they may not have individual minds, they possess a powerful collective mind. So even though we feel like winners now because we outweigh them, remember this. 2,000 years ago, when the human population was much smaller, the ant empire was the absolute heavyweight champion of the world. And with their collective intelligence, who knows what they are capable of in the future? But this leads us to one final question. Are ants actually beneficial to human life? Yes, they are incredibly beneficial. Without us even noticing, ants are the invisible heroes of our environment. They act as the Earth's natural cleanup crew by decomposing organic waste. Their constant tunneling also helps circulate air and water, making the soil fertile for the plants and food we rely on. In the end, there is no real winner or loser. We and the ants need each other to maintain the balance of this planet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.